Hi, Kelly here from freebiefindingmom.com, and today I'm going to share with you a summer-inspired diffuser blend called Chill Pill that is loaded with lots of pretty citrus essential oils that are going to help if you need a change of mood in the house, meaning uplifting everybody's spirits. This diffuser blend is a good one to try. I love this blend. In fact, you know what? My son loves this one probably. It's probably one of his favorites. He tends to gravitate more towards citrus oils, and so he really loves this one. So it's a great one for everybody, but especially little kids. It's very sweet smelling, and just like I say, really happy scents are in this one. By the way, as you watch this video, if you would please give it a like or a heart, I would appreciate it, and share it to your Facebook page if you find it helpful for you. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna pan down here so you can see me adding the oils, but first, actually, I'll tell you what you need. You are going to need 3 drops of grapefruit essential oil. You're going to need 3 drops of orange essential oil. You'll need 2 drops of lemon and 1 drop of bergamot. So lots of great citrus oils are going to be in this diffuser blend today. All righty. My fancy setup on my laundry basket here. Hopefully it holds. Okay, so we're using our Desert Mist diffuser today for this diffuser blend. And if you, by the way, if you still need to pick up your diffuser and your entire premium starter kit, you can do so via the link that is in this post. All right, so, and yes, I am still offering $25 off the kit. So first, like I said, we're gonna start with grapefruit essential oil from Young Living. Grapefruit, we are using this obviously comes from the peel of the grapefruit, so it's a very pure essential oil from Young Living. It is really, we're adding 3 drops of this, and the reason we're adding it is because it helps. I love this one. I love all these, but it really helps instill joy and cheerfulness and satisfaction and playfulness into a room. So it's a very bright, just very uplifting scent to be diffusing as well. It's great for a lot of other things too. Like I've had friends actually lose weight using grapefruit essential oil, but so there's a lot of things you can. It's also very good for your skin and also really good for treating acne. Now, by the way, I will say I'm not a doctor. I can't diagnose, treat, or prescribe, but I do know I've used it for acne purposes, and I have friends that have had success using it for acne as well. So that we added our 3 drops of grapefruit essential oil into our diffuser here. So next we're going to then add our 3 drops of orange essential oil from Young Living. Love orange. I have been diffusing orange a lot lately. One of my latest combinations that I've been using with orange has been adding it to purification. I love purification too. So just orange is it's a great one to be diffusing in with a lot of different oils. There we go. So we've added about 3 drops of our orange essential oil to our diffuser blend. That is now orange is a very bright, happy scent as well, but it is known to really enhance more creativity and also to help with things like peace and with creating harmony as well. So it's a really good one for uplifting spirits, but also to help with, like I say, kind of just instilling peace into an environment. Next, we're gonna add our lemon essential oil from Young Living. Now our lemon essential oil, I kind of think of lemon similar to grapefruit in that it is really uplifting, very motivating, just a really happy scent to be using. And so we're gonna add 2 drops of our lemon essential oil. There we go. Love lemon. Lemon is good for so many things as well, obviously with cleansing of your system, also really good for immune system support as well. You know, my favorite thing to use lemon for actually is besides diffusing it, is not just for cleaning, but also to get sticky stuff out of clothes especially. My son is notorious for leaving stickers on his clothes and then I wash them and not knowing they were on there. And so it makes it really hard to get them off. And so lemon is amazing at getting sticky stuff out of clothing. Just a little hack for you. Bergamot essential oil, then we're gonna add our 1 drop of bergamot. Bergamot is a beautiful oil actually. Love bergamot. So we're gonna add our 1 drop of bergamot. Bergamot comes from the peel of that green yellow fruit, and then it is cold pressed, and that is what creates that pure bergamot essential oil. Bergamot has a little bit of a tart scent to it, that is what kind of creates that uplifting, you know, aroma with bergamot, but it also has a very sweet and relaxing scent as well. So it goes beautifully with our orange, our grapefruit, and our lemon essential oil. So that was it. That's what we combined in here was our 3 drops of our grapefruit, 3 drops of our orange, 1 drop of bergamot, and 2 drops of our lemon essential oil to make our Chill Pill diffuser blend. Actually, you know what? I'll turn this on. You might not be able to see it because I'm by a window with a lot of bright light, but you might be able to see it. But I love the Desert Mist diffuser. If you don't have one, you can get it in the premium starter kit. It's an option to pick it up. but you can see it has 10 different color settings. It has a beautiful candlelight flicker setting, which I really like. I use that one probably the most, but that was our diffuser blend for Chill Pill. So if you are looking for a perfect summer diffuser blend, I mean, it's great year round, but especially it has, you know, those tropical citrus scents to it. Give this one a try. Again, it was 3 drops of your orange essential oil, 3 drops of grapefruit, 2 drops of lemon, and 1 drop of bergamot essential oil. I think you'll love it. Anyways, thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. Again, if you need your premium starter kit, you can get it via the link that's in this post. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.